Jingïakren Pynbeit Port Apdeng Kejela Assam Bat Mekhalaya Hakawat ke Baar ladang hap pensengek Shua ong Chairman Congressional Committee na kebenta ke West Khasi Hills ubak polling do ha kesengi belang da ke bayatu baki Jingïakren kila slam na kedau ke Jingduna ke Jubab na ke liang ke Sorkar Assam. Ubak lingdo ubadai kmi ya kalangpi ke Thain West Khasi Hills ke badai ke wei na kijaka ke badang Ïaid ha kalenti Jingïakren Pynbeit Port. Kiwe kisnong kikentop ya ke bod duar nong wa mau temur Desh Domria Block 3 Haribhoi District Block 1 Siar Khanduli ha West Jante Hills District na kaliang ubak polling do ha kawai pat kaliang uklem dalai itu lod halor ke Jingïakren jong kene ke Jingïakren Pynbeit Port namar ula ong bakin sadon kibashim kebu namar ke election kalajan haba ong baki jingdon kam satang asngi bandit juriep yikijaka hendai lahap ban slemno na kadau jongkap jingbam pat Jubab jongka Sorkar Assam.
See, in the zone that I have been given charge of, which is the Langpi sector, we just need a single, maybe 2 days of on-the-field, on-site inspection. That has been delayed because of the lack of response from the Assam counterparts, but they have expressed their willingness that they would undertake this survey within the month of March this year. The other factor that you have to take into account is that issues like border skirmishes tend to reach a point of conflict when elections are around the corner. So it's very natural that there would be players and elements in view of approaching elections trying to raise this issue in a manner that they attract attention.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center